Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel and thank you very much for watching, everyone. I want to show you just a quick video here of a shot that gave me a lot of grief early on, and I'm sure there are some of you watching this that it's probably not the easiest shot for you. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to pocket this 8-ball in the corner. I'm going to draw the cue ball back to this cushion and get somewhere over here for shape on this 9. Now I want to say this. If the 8-ball is at the second diamond, which I have it marked right there with the paper reinforcement, second diamond or up this direction, I will always draw to the 9. If the 8-ball is below the second diamond, like let's say right there, I will go forward with it. So even if the cue ball is back here, I'll still do that. So I'll just show you that shot real quick before we shoot the others. This is a 3-railer. And you can see it's pretty easy to get on the 9 from there. I like that shot. I practice it a lot. And in fact, if you don't have that shot, you need to practice it. It's a big time must shot to have to go with that 3-rail and come around. I really attribute that to about 30% of my position play. I play the inside spinners quite a bit. So now let's get back to this shot. This is the one that gave me grief early on. And I shoot this from all different angles, here, and even almost straight. But I'm going to shoot it about right there, and also it gets more difficult as we're back further away. So if you're going to just try this in the beginning, just try to get close to it, a couple feet away, about the same distance to pocket it as you are from the cue ball to the ball. And what we're going to do here is we're going to apply some low, and you can apply just side spin, but I find that I hit too close to this side pocket. In fact, you can scratch here if you don't hit it correctly. Now the other thing I want to say is you want to keep a super loose grip, almost like a slip stroke. If you grip your cue too tight, this shot will become very difficult for you. So let's see if I can get shape on this 9 now. And it's just a little flick of the wrist, just like that. And it's real easy if you do that. If you get firm with your wrist, you won't get shape. So now, I'll show you another angle. And I'm gonna respot this on that paper reinforcement. And you might wanna do the same thing. We're not respotting the cue ball in the same place. We're just moving it. So if I get a little straighter here, and once again, get about a couple of feet away, about the same distance away as it is to the pocket, to your ball. If I get at that angle, now it's a little shallower. I'm not going to be able to come over here coming off this cushion. We're actually going to come here, and I'm probably going to be short side. This is more difficult for sure, but let's see if we can pull it off. Once again, loose wrist. It's a lot more difficult, but you know what? Got right on it, perfect. Once again, it's that loose flick of the wrist. Okay, we're gonna take one more shot. Once again, mark it, or put it right on your mark. Now let's see, let's think about this. What do we wanna do here? Now let's go in between. We were there, we were here. If I'm right about here, that's about midway. I'm a little bit farther away, I'll probably get about right there. It's still a little bit farther away. Not an easy shot, but it's the angle that it's an in-betweener. I could be on this side or this side. I'm going to try to come in here and get on this side. That's going to be difficult, but let's see if I can do it. Once again, keep your wrist real loose, your grip wrist. Okay, I actually hit it perfect. I hit it further up here, which then got it to the 9. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. The main thing, you guys, is this. You cannot grip tight. You have to flick your wrist, and you don't have to then overpower it, and you don't have to bang at the ball, and you'll get shape. If you have any questions or comments on this video, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll answer every one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.